Question 6. That a ladder resting on a vertical wall makes an angle whose tangent is 2.4 with the ground. If the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall is 50 centimeters, what is the length of the ladder? So this is also a problem that can be solved using a right angle triangle. This is triangle ABC, where AB is said to be the wall and AC represents the ladder. We are told that the ladder is resting on a vertical wall, makes an angle whose tangent is 2.4 with the ground. So this is angle theta, and it therefore means that tan theta is said to be equal to 2.4. That if the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall is 50 centimeters, it therefore means that BC is 50 centimeters. We are asked to find the length of the ladder. In this case, we are asked to find the side AC, which happens to be the hypotenuse side of triangle ABC. But we are given the tangent of angle theta, and the tan theta is said to be the ratio of the opposite side to the adjacent side. It has nothing to do with the hypotenuse. So what I'm going to do is to first of all get my value of theta. Then from there, I can then solve for the length of the ladder. This becomes theta now can be said to be equal to the tan inverse of 2.4. And the tan inverse of 2.4 is said to be equal to 67.38 degrees. Now, if this is the value for theta, 67.38 degrees, we shall then use the relationship between theta, the hypotenuse L, and the adjacent 50, and such a relationship is said to be the cosine. So that means that cos 67.38 degrees is equal to 50 divided by L. And when you cross multiply, making L the subject of the formula, this becomes L to be equal to 50 divided by cos 67.38 degrees. When you divide 50 by cos 67.38 degrees, it gives you 129.999, which is approximately 130 centimeters. So this is the length of the ladder AC, which is equal to 130 centimeters. That brings us to the end of today's class. In today's class, we have solved word problems leading to trigonometry. So all you need to do in solving word problems leading to trigonometry is to interpret the questions using a right angle triangle. And once the right angle triangle is given, try to identify the sides that are given as well as the unknown side or angle that you are requested to find. With the knowledge of trig ratios and complementary angles, you should be able to solve for the unknown. Thank you for being patient to the end of this class. Your presence means a lot to me. Kindly like our videos while you watch, while we recommend that you subscribe to our channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult to you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from this project. Also, you can follow us on Facebook at My Lesson Teacher Maths, as well as on TikTok. Thank you for your attention and see you in our next class.